In this episode of Gear Matters, we are covering a few tips to keep in mind while using a strap-based or non-magnetic tank bag. In order to prevent any scratches on the tank, make sure to dust off the tank itself as well as the underside of the tank bag before attaching it. When the tank bag is not on the bike, try to place it on clean surfaces in a way that the underside of the tank bag remains clean. This will help reduce the chances of any dirt or abrasive particles being transferred to the tank. As a rule of thumb, the less weight that you put in your tank bag, the more secure it will be on the tank. Strap-based tank bags are more forgiving in this regard, but overloading the tank bag will increase the chances of it coming loose or damaging the mounting components. When mounting a non-magnetic tank bag, first identify a safe and secure mounting point on the bike. Ensure that the mounting strap passed around the front of the bike is not tangled on any cables or otherwise limiting the movement of the fork or any other component of the motorcycle. For the rear mounting, ensure that the straps are secured around the frame of the motorcycle. Mounting these straps on plastic parts or other less robust mounting points is not recommended. Once all the mounting straps are in place, attach and adjust the remaining fasteners to secure the tank bag. You can check that it is mounted correctly by shaking the bag. It should not move noticeably. Ensure that the position of the tank bag does not restrict handlebar movement. If required, move the bag closer to the rider to allow the handlebar to turn freely. If you have any shoulder or other carrying straps on the tank bag, it might be a good idea to remove and place these inside the bag so that there are no loose or dangling components on the outside. Also, make sure to securely close all compartments before riding.